got a ripping case of Chilorio. Can I give you the clap now?
Yeah. Oh yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother.
There it goes. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, families. I'm Mike. He's Mike. And you know it, we're Mike's in the can. Ah.
Right on.
Yeah.
So, what do you call fans of Mike's in the Can? Few and far between.
Oh.
Today, we have Chilorio. Chilorio sounds a bit like a sexually transmitted disease. Like, it's burning.
Oh, my Chilorio.
I got a ripping case of Chilorio. But apparently that's not what Chilorio is. Chilorio is shredded, seasoned pork meat that you would heat up, put in tortillas with a little bit of green shit, red shit. Ingredients are pork, lard, apple cider vinegar, dried chili peppers, salt, white pepper, oregano, coriander, and garlic. Sounds pretty good. So this can that you would buy at Mexican Market, or did you get this at a regular commercial grocery store?
I got it online.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Before I do most of my shopping. Oh.
So
Seems like I might be missing something.
first glance, looks like a loaf of pork.
What do you think? Do you think we can get that all out at once?
It looks pretty dry.
But hey, we've been surprised so far tonight.
I've been surprised before. Shredded, seasoned pork.
There's no liquid. Yeah, is it coming?
It's almost there.
So she said. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, squeeze it out. Get the Chilorio out, man. Oh. I don't know if you could hear that or not, but Mike totally broke the vacuum seal on that. It kind of went like this. What do we got for a smell? Yeah, I'm not sure how I felt about smelling it. All right, so Chilorio from the can to my mouth. Cheers.
With all the, didn't even heat it up. All the solidified fat still on there. Yummy. Cheers. Dude, I'd put that in a tortilla in a heartbeat.
I got tortillas upstairs.
In a heartbeat.
Yeah. You warm that up. You put it on a tortilla, and you got yourself an STD in a can.
Chilorio. Get yourself a bad case of Chilorio. A ripping case of Chilorio.
I mean, I think this is it's good. I like it.
Yeah, this is great. This is great.
You don't want to throw it away.
No.
You gotta take it home.
It's great. Sure, yeah. Type me a doggy bag.
Yep.
You just heat this up. Maybe some chopped white onions. Maybe some cilantro, little lime juice.
Ooh, yeah.
This is winning. 10 out of 10 would smash. That means would eat, right?
I'm going with an 8. I'm going with an 8. I like it. But I bet you 10 out of 10 warmed up on a shelf.
Yeah.
So, but I can only give it an 8 cold.
Eat this stuff. Go out and buy Chata Chilorio shredded seasoned pork meat. It's delicious.
You won't be dissatisfied.
Not at all. So, like, subscribe, give us some comments, tell us what you think about us sampling meat in a can so you don't have to.
And you know what? Thanks for watching.